Thank you for choosing the Clemco Wet Blast Flex system. Clean Blast is your distributor for this purchase, and we are going to show you how to set this up. The Wet Blast Flex system from Clemco is unique in that it allows the operator to have complete control from the operator station, blasting wet, dry, blowing off with air and water mixed, or just rinsing off with water, or just rinsing the surface with a water and air combination. On setup, you can choose a municipal water source by hooking up the garden hose to the garden hose fitting and selecting the garden hose feed and shutting off the tank feed at the machine. This is another level of versatility that only Clemco offers. Alternately, you can use the tank on board, which has a 120-gallon capacity, and choose the tank feed. The next step is to take your chosen abrasive and to pour it into the pot. This is a 6 cubic foot pot. Be sure to use the screen provided to keep pieces of bag and other debris from getting into the pot. In this case, we chose a crushed glass product called Glass Blast in a medium grade. The next step is to hook up the control lines to the manifold. These are yellow lines. There are 2 yellow lines coming from the dead man control up at the operator station. There's a third line that controls the abrasive cutoff coming from the abrasive cutoff switch. These connections are made at the manifold that is below the pot, near where you will also hook up the blast hose, as you can see in the next part of the video. In this case, we used a 2-inch bull hose. The final step in the hose connections is to hook up the air hose and then to go over and properly start the compressor. The next step is to verify that you have compressed air going to the system. In this case, we're going to allow the full 125 psi to run into the system. You can adjust it as low as 60 psi and as high as 150 psi.
One, and there's a little hole that you can see here, Mike. 2, 3.5.
Oh, and don't forget to turn the ball valve on that will start the pump running, which is right at the regulator. The next step is to take and put on your operator safety equipment. We always recommend at Clean Blast and Clemco to wear an approved CE type air-fed respirator. In some packages, the respirator is included, as well as the filter and the hose and an air conditioner, cool air tube, hot tube combination is available.
And start your blasting. Adjust water as needed. Once you're done blasting with water, you can shut the abrasive off. That will allow you to wash down. You can also shut the water off and dry the part, and then release the dead man handle, and you depressurize the blast machine.
Now watch as the operator blasts this old brick building. Blast with abrasive, and then turns off and rinses the building. And finally goes ahead and rinses the blasted area off and finishes with an air dry. This is all done without the help of a second operator and has all the functions available at the nozzle. This is why it's known as the flex strip. Please refer to the operator's manual and the operator safety equipment manual for further information, or give us a call at 1-800-CLEAN-BLAST, KLEEN BLAST.